Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Xfinity Comcast error code RDK-03003. The error reads, "Sorry, there seems to be a problem. Please check that your cables are tightly secured and try again. If that doesn't work, go to xfinity.com/support/status or use the Xfinity My Account app to check for service outages and get additional troubleshooting tips." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to watch TV through their Xfinity cable box, but the device fails to connect and shows the error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by loose cable connections, issues with the splitter, temporary service outages, or problems with the TV box setup. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to ensure that all your cable connections are tightly secured. Then unplug your TV box from the electrical outlet, then wait for 10 seconds and plug it back in to restart. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists, try removing the splitter from the setup and connect the coax cable directly to the X1 box. Leave the Ethernet unplugged, then restart the box and wait for it to load. If it works, you can try reconnecting the splitter later and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to xfinity.com/support/status map and check if there are any service outages in your area. If Xfinity is experiencing issues, you may need to wait until the services are restored. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you should contact Comcast support for further help and assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.